Hey guys, JD here, and this is the brand new 5-pound compact TriAnchor by WAVESRX. Hey guys, JD here with the Kawasaki Ultra 310. Now, if you guys aren't familiar with this ski, it is a full-size, supercharged personal watercraft, fiberglass and gel coat, deep V hull. This is a serious vessel. This is not a toy by any means. And when securing a vessel like this, you want to rely on a product like the WAVESRX TriAnchor. The new 5-pound TriAnchor is lighter and more compact than the previous model. It also features this great durable carrying case to keep your ski and the anchor protected. So the guys at WAVESRX realized that the first generation TriAnchor actually could hold boats up to 5,000 pounds or more. And in fact, I've got a 22-foot center console, and that anchor will hold it with absolutely no problem. So they said, look, there's guys out there with smaller skis, with lighter skis, that don't really have the storage space for an anchor like this. They're personal watercraft guys. They ride just like you and me. They're not some big corporation. So WAVESRX listened to customer feedback, and the biggest thing was that we wanted a more durable case to store the TriAnchor. The more compact TriAnchor is 2 pounds lighter than the heavier one, but doesn't sacrifice quality. It's exactly a clone of the larger one. Super easy to assemble. Ready to use. Beautiful day here, and it's really windy, and you can see the wind is actually coming from the north. So I know there's a bunch of guys on YouTube who have this product and who have been demonstrating it for WAVESRX, but I wanted to give you a look at, I have the unique position of having both TriAnchors, so I wanted to give you guys a look at both. Now, if you've already purchased the larger one, there's absolutely no issue with it. It functions perfectly. And if you have a Kawasaki Ultra 310 and you purchased the larger one already, then you're fine, you're good to go. But let's say you've got a smaller Kawasaki, maybe an STX 160, or even, dare I say, a Yamaha GP 1800, or maybe something from Sea-Doo, and you don't really have the storage space that this has, and you need something smaller. Not only does the new smaller TriAnchor fit in this awesome, really heavy-duty case, but it provides the same anchoring power as the larger one. Now again, this isn't some product that they sent me and I'm showing you guys for the first time. This is actually a product that I use on a regular basis. So we're at super high tide here right now. Normally this is a sandbar, and it's quite higher today, and you can see that just holding my ski in place, the wind is just blowing it back. So you're gonna go ahead, connect. And to get the most out of your TriAnchor, I recommend you use the WAVESRX AnchorMate bungee. This one here stretches between 7 and 25 feet and really works to keep that TriAnchor in place. And I just want to give you a look here. I'm not even using my spike anchor off the stern here. Literally just have that TriAnchor off the bow. And it holds this large, heavy fiberglass and gel coat ski in place with absolutely no issue. You know, you guys know I'm not a paid corporate influencer. I'm not paid for my endorsements. My only goal in all this is to share with you guys things that work for me and that help get you out on the water and make your life a little bit easier along the way. And WAVESRX, again, these are PWC guys. They ride, they've got their own skis, and they really know what works and what doesn't. And when you're done for the day, stowing the stainless steel TriAnchor is really easy with this new heavy-duty case. Simply fold it up, lock the case, and store it in your ski. Use the code above to save 15% off your WAVESRX.com purchase. And remember, WAVESRX, life is simple, just add water. And that's not a gimmick. They really do make life simple with this TriAnchor. I love it. If you enjoyed this video, please consider hitting that like button and subscribing for more exclusive jet ski content, only on JD's Water World.